Welcome to What Would You Choose? Your daily dose of fun choices. Octopus versus lobster. Which one has 8 arms? The answer is octopus. Bed versus chair. Which one do you sleep on? The answer is bed. Lollipop versus kite. Which one goes up in the sky? The answer is kite. Panda versus koala. Which one eats bamboo? The answer is panda. UFO versus satellite. Which one sends signals to Earth? The answer is satellite. Sponge versus juice box. Which one soaks up water? The answer is sponge. Speedboat versus beach. Which one floats on water? The answer is speedboat. Toothbrush versus lotion. Which one cleans your teeth? The answer is toothbrush. Fox versus hamster. Which one is wild? The answer is fox. Shooting star versus candle. Which one is in the sky? The answer is shooting star. Brick versus cardboard box. Which one is heavier? The answer is brick. Juice versus tea. Which one is usually served to kids? The answer is juice. Goat versus horse. Which one gives milk? The answer is goat. Door versus person. Which one do you walk through? The answer is door. Flamingo versus chicken. Which one stands on one leg? The answer is flamingo. Game controller versus dice. Which one has buttons? The answer is game controller. Uranus versus Earth. Which one do we live on? The answer is Earth. Camera versus map. Which one shows real-life images? The answer is camera. Scooter versus bicycle. Which one has no pedals? The answer is scooter. Socks versus shirt. Which one goes on your feet? The answer is socks. Astronaut versus wizard. Which one goes to space? The answer is astronaut. Swan versus whale. Which one can fly? The answer is swan. Teddy bear versus toy car. Which one has wheels? The answer is toy car. Clock versus hourglass. Which one shows digital time? The answer is clock. T-Rex versus elephant. Which one lived long ago? The answer is T-Rex. Storybook versus notebook. Which one has stories? The answer is storybook. Paintbrush versus crayon. Which one is dipped in paint? The answer is paintbrush. Rain versus hail. Which one is frozen? The answer is hail. Microphone versus bell. Which one do singers use? The answer is microphone. Magic wand versus coin. Which one is used in magic shows? The answer is magic wand. Worm versus cricket. Which one has legs? The answer is cricket. Backpack versus gift. Which one do you carry to school? The answer is backpack. Calendar versus alarm clock. Which one rings? The answer is alarm clock. Cupcake versus watermelon. Which one is baked? The answer is cupcake. Zebra versus unicorn. Which one is real? The answer is zebra. Rat versus chipmunk. Which one climbs trees? The answer is chipmunk. Battery versus gear. Which one gives power? The answer is battery. Dog versus crocodile. Which one is a pet? The answer is dog. Piano versus headphones. Which one has keys? The answer is piano. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Scene Doll Kids for more. Would you rather quizzes like that?